What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Kisses in the Wind by Lil Peep and Lil Tracy. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else your mom's a hoe. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar. If you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you will need to capo up to the 2nd fret to make it a little bit easier. If you need a link to get a capo for free, you can get this exact one on my website. The link will be in the video description, as well as if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find those in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord we need is going to be a B minor. Bar the 2nd fret with your index finger starting, and this is relative to the capo, so capo's on 2nd fret. That means this fret is 1, 2, 3, and so on. 2nd fret, bar it with your index finger starting on the A string. You don't need to worry about the low E right now. Bar the entire 2nd fret, ring finger on the 4th fret of the D, pinky finger on the 4th fret of the G, and middle finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. Next you'll need A major, middle finger 2nd fret D string, ring finger 2nd fret G string, pinky finger 2nd fret B string. Then G major, ring finger low E string on the 3rd fret, middle finger 2nd fret A string, pinky finger high E on the 3rd fret. Then next is E minor, middle finger 2nd fret A, ring finger 2nd fret D. And then as part of the chord progression, you will be going back to G major. Once you get the chords down, you just need your strumming pattern. It's pretty simple. Starting on your B minor, it's going to be down, 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 up, 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 down, down, down. So it's a quick switch from B minor, A to G. Down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.